Hey guys, hello, Akash here. Hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to show you one of the best homemade cottage cheese dish ever, and the name of the dish is Scrambled Cottage Cheese. Scrambled cottage cheese is also known as Paneer Bhurji, and paneer is the name of the Indian cottage cheese. So this is my dinner, and it's gonna happen with very easy and simple ingredients within 20 minutes. So the idea is to make the cottage cheese first with simmering the full cream fresh milk with acid, and then we'll drain it and then we'll keep it aside for a few minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna get ready with the other prep such as chopping the onion, tomato, green chili, bell pepper, and that's it. So we'll start with medium heat. We'll pour the milk and start simmering, and we have to make sure that we simmer the milk to get the best cottage cheese. We should not boil it. So if we simmer the milk in a medium heat, we're gonna get a nice and soft texture of the cottage cheese. And if you boil it, it's gonna be hard and rubbery. Then it will not become a cottage cheese, it's gonna be something else. Without wasting any time, I'm gonna pour the milk real quick. This is 1.5 liter of full cream milk going straight in the pan. Little bit of salt. Some sugar, we have to continue stir the milk or else it will stick in the bottom, and we have to wait till start simmering. So that's what I do with my leftover milk. When I buy a full bottle of milk I don't finish on time, I make a fresh cottage cheese, which is paneer. And once you make this cheese, you can make many dishes from there, and you can use the milk. Our milk is warm now, and this is the time when we'll add yogurt. So this is the turning point in the whole process of making. So 2 teaspoons of yogurt. So what yogurt does is it increases the acidity of the milk, which will help to curdle the milk easily and enhances the richness. If you try to connect, it's all science in cooking as well. So now I'm going to add some mixed Italian household flavoring, but you can keep it plain as well, or you can add any kinds of flavors you like. You can add cumin, or you can add green chili, or you can add basil. Let me tell you something, the combination of basil and this cheese is very good. You can try that as well. So this is the time when I'm gonna add little magic in this whole milk, and I'm gonna change the whole game. So it's 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and done. Here is the stage where we have to turn off the gas, and you just need to stir it slowly. And if you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon as well. See, it started curdling. You slowly stir it. And now it's time to strain. It's done. So I'm using very light cloth to strain my cheese, but you can use muslin cloth, or you can use blue chucks, whatever you use. The most important thing is, like, we have to strain the water, the excess water. So this liquid is called as the whey protein. You can save it and use it for other purpose as well, because this contains lots of nutrition. So we'll wash this cheese with cold water, so all the excess vinegar will go off, so that it's not gonna be a vinegary taste, and it's gonna be nice and neutral. So now we have to squeeze the whole water. We have to use the power of our body here. Try to take off the water as much as we can. Still lots of water coming out. So now I'll put the cheese wrapped in a cloth, in a plate, and try to press it a little bit. And I will put something heavy on the top of it. So I have got this, I'm putting it here. But if you have anything heavy like a pan or heavy pot or chopping board will work as well. So just leave it like this for like 10 minutes and that's gonna be all right. As we kept our cheese for resting, we'll do the other prep. So I'm using like 2 red onions, chop 2 red onions. These onions makes me cry always, but you know what? I love it. We'll chop 1 medium-sized tomato. Start with taking the seeds off. We'll chop half red bell peppers. So red bell pepper is packed with vitamin C, and we need vitamin C. The reason why I'm adding chopped bell peppers because it has a little sweet flavor and also it will give a little citrus flavor to our dish. So I'm using this small 3 radish which I will use as a garnish, and it is optional. If you want, you can skip it. Last but not the least, some chopped corianders. Not even 10 minutes and seems like our cheese is ready. Now look at this thing. Oh, here we go. Our fresh homemade cottage cheese. I'm having a very nice feeling about this cheese. It looks amazing. It's nice and soft and very easy to make. Now, if you want, you can cut it in cubes and make a curry, or you can just crumble it and make a scrambled cottage cheese. So from here, we can crumble this cheese and make the dish straight away. But as we work so hard, I will cut them into cubes and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So that's what I want to show you guys. See? Second slice. Now if I cut them in cubes, it's not breaking. We did a very good job here. We'll crumble this real quick. Because it's soft, it's very easy to crumble. You don't need a grater. You can just do it with the hand straight away. We'll add some oil. 2 teaspoons of ghee. We'll start with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Chopped onions. So don't cook the onions for too long. We make sure we have to cook it to a translucent color. So this is translucent color. Now at this stage we'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We've got 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We'll mix it real quick. Now we'll add our chopped green chilies and tomatoes. At this stage, we'll add some salt to taste. We'll lightly cook our tomatoes. It seems like our tomatoes are soft. So now at this stage, we'll add our spices. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 spoon of cumin powder, and a little garam masala. We'll add some water to mix all the spices. We'll add chopped red bell peppers. Give a quick mix. Masala is ready and we'll add our cottage cheese. We'll give a quick mix. We'll add some yogurt. Our scrambled cottage cheese is ready, and now we'll finish them off with some chopped fresh coriander. So all done now, and we'll plate it real quick. I've got some iceberg lettuce, so I'm using this as a garnish. All done, and now I'm finishing up with some olive oil at last. So this is the perfect dinner. Looks good, right? And very easy to make as well. This looks amazing, and you know what the best part is? You can eat this bhurji with anything, with bread or rice or roti or salad. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So please like, share, subscribe and comment for more upcoming videos coming up. Thank you.